All right, today we're going to bring a climbing set for kids. This is a 5-in-1, and this is what you get when you get it out of the box. Including with instructions are the tools, the Allen wrenches. So let's put it together. All right, here's the finished product, if you guys can see. It took me about an hour to put together because I want to make sure that the structure is well fitted for kids that are going to be climbing this, and make sure that the platform is nice and secure when you're gripping this. These are for actually gripping the bars. Now, they do have handles here. Parent supervision is advised when kids are playing around with this. So, hope you guys enjoy the video.
How dare you call us monkey?
How dare you go?
Whoa. Yeah, that's helicopter scene. My favorite. Yeah. You know you can have like a form? Yeah, you can like change like your specific parents watch.
Yeah. Feel the coin?
Oh! He's